And the Adwal is an enzyme product, and it's a plant-based enzyme. So you realize that all our products that we are talking about are all organic. But when we talk about Adwal, as I said, it's a plant-based enzyme, and we have millions of enzymes in our body. It contains 5 major enzymes, which are the lipase, protease, the amylase, the antioxidant enzymes, and at the same time, fibrinolytic enzymes. I'll brief you on each of them. The lipase helps in breaking down fats and oil in our system. So it helps us to get the best out of our products. That's the fat that we eat or the oil that we consume. And at the same time, it takes out the excess. So the bad fat that we don't need, it sheds it out. And mostly the lipids are all taken off. As well as it also helps in breaking down protein. So when we even eat, and naturally you realize that sometimes even when we are eating, as Africans as we are, even the intestines and the towels in the animals and all those things, when we are chewing them and we are not even able to chew them, at the end of the day, what do? We swallow them, which shouldn't be so. So what you need to do is that whatever you are not able to chew, we recommend that throw it away, don't swallow it. And again, it also helps in the breaking down of carbohydrates. When you come to Ghana, we are eating fufu and banku and all those things. South Africa, you are talking about the pap and all those other carbohydrate food. If you go to Nigeria, we are eating the amala, the samo. If you go to Abidjan, they are also talking about the acheke and the rice and the futu. All these things are all carbohydrates. So when you realize that sometimes when you eat this foods that we swallow and you wake up in the morning, you don't feel comfortable because digestion has not taken place. That's why even sometimes you wake up in the morning, you put your hand in your mouth and you vomit and realize that the food comes out the same way they went in. So what happens is that this Adwal will break down, because it improves the metabolism system, breaks down the food into liquid for the body to accept or absorb the necessary ingredients in it, and the rest also shed away. Again, it also contains antioxidants, which are also shed off because it takes away of all the oxidants you have generated through the free radicals and your daily activity. Then the fifth one, which is the fibrinolytic enzyme. Fibrinolytic enzyme helps like thinner in the blood. But one thing is that I recommend, if somebody is on aspirin and the person is taking aspirin daily, we recommend that that person needs a medical attention before he has it. Because aspirin helps in lightening the blood. And when you start using this one too, it also makes the blood lighter and it is able to move more liquid into the system up and down. And at the same time, Adwal melts blood clots. Hence, it also helps in the prevention of fibroids, but it is not used to solve fibroid. I want us to look at it well. It helps because the fibrins can grow to become the fibroids, but if you're able to check it, then it doesn't grow. But when it has grown up or it has become fibroid, you can't tell me that we are going to use Adwal to work on it. Just that it will help you, but it won't solve it. That is for Adwal. And apart from that too, we have also added some prebiotics. And prebiotics balances the intestinal pH. It relieves constipation. It promotes mineral absorption. And when you eat, it breaks the food down into smaller molecules for the cells to pick. As well as you realize that our body is made up of full of intestines, and everybody, your intestine length is not less than 7 times your height. So if you look at the intestines in your system and you are working around it, you realize that the intestine really need liquid. But unfortunately, human beings are the only animals who cook our food. And because we have heated it, and the way we cook our food cuts across the whole of Africa. Because when you check, even a normal chicken, before we use it for stew, it will be steamed. After steaming, we will fry it. After frying it, we'll put it in the stew for it to also get cooked and before we eat it. So you realize that it goes into your body and it's so hard that the pancreas has to stop its other functions of generating insulin and rather comes to concentrate on breaking down the food for you to be able to even push it out. So these are some of the things that we have to check. And because you are using Adwal, the pancreas is not able to generate the necessary insulin, and therefore the blood sugar level is also reduced, and you are in a good position. And again, it also boosts or improve your immune system. So the major benefits of Adderall is that it improves the intestinal health, it helps on anti-inflammation, and as I was talking before we started, I was telling another lady on the platform, that when I came out, I'm feeling so tired and everything, and I realized that the stress, the inflammation is too high. I just mix one of this and I'm good, and that's why I'm still preventing. And the other thing, as I've already mentioned, it prevents blood clots. Again, Adderall also helps in the prevention of cancer and as well as improving our metabolism. So if you are adding Adderall and Vitae together, once you are using Pagin, then it means that as for the woman, she's complete, and men, we are also complete. One good thing I didn't mention is that the Vitae also helps in prostate issues as well. So it's helped solve prostate issues, and men can also use it as well. And again, it also boosts men power and gives you energy as well, especially if you know you have any major activity to perform. Those who have ears can hear. At least you take it 30 minutes before and you are good to go. Very healthy, not an energy product or any, but it just brings your system down and you finish and you are good and you look healthy as well. That is my testimony. So the ladies, to you, share your testimony. Again, it also helps in weight loss. And I have shared no less than 25 because I used to be around 124. Currently, I am 101. As I yesterday I checked, but I'm praying that I'll reduce again because Adderall is helping me. I put on some weight when I went to South Africa because all my Adderall I had, I used them as samples. And I was eating late in the night and other things. But I've started coming back home and I've started consuming it again. So I know I'll lose some weight as well. And the product uniqueness is that it is scientifically proven and the technologies behind it are all patented. It contains prebiotic, anti-inflammation properties. And the good thing is that the materials in it are all non-GMO plants.